Facebook will be restoring news to Australian pages in the next few days as the government has agreed to change its landmark media bargaining code that would have forced the social network and Google to pay for displaying news. This announcement was made on Tuesday by Australian Federal Treasurer Josh Frydenberg. The move comes after talks between Treasurer Josh Frydenberg and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg over the weekend. Last week, Facebook blocked all news on its platform in Australia, inadvertently blocking information and government pages. The ban on news created shock waves and was met with strong opposition from the Australian government, people, and governments of many countries.